Do you know how the food you're eating is making you fat? What is causing your weight gain? Conventional wisdom says all you have to do to lose weight is eat less and exercise more, right? But you're counting the calories and keeping below an acceptable limit, and the weight still isn't coming off. Now, you've probably heard that it's because you're getting older, or you're stressed, or you don't sleep enough. And all of these things can be true, but you know there has to be something else causing the problem. So what if it's not the amount of food that you're eating, but the quality of the food you're eating? The processed foods that we eat really are piling on the pounds. Supermarket shelves are packed with food-like products that look appealing. You could probably eat that, couldn't you? But these foods have been made in a laboratory and are full of chemicals. Remember, there is no junk food. There is junk and there is food. And chemical food additives are junk and should be avoided. But these additives have become so normal that we rarely even notice them on food labels. That's if we get as far as looking at the labels. So how do the chemical additives in these foods make us fat? Because we're eating indigestible substances, believing them to be tasty. And because these processed foods are created to be addictive, we're eating more of them. Now, we've always processed food to make it more digestible and to last us through the winter months. Fermenting, sun-drying, salt preservation, all of these things were vital for survival. People knew how to process the raw ingredients into delicious foods that retained their nutritional content over months, even years. But now the traditional ways have been substituted by factory and industrial processing, and this kills nutrition and taste in food. This processing depends on sugar, white flour, processed and hydrogenated oils, chemicals, synthetic food additives, and synthetic vitamins for taste. And the chemical additives that manufacturers use are toxic to our body. Manufacturers use chemical additives because they're cheaper than natural additives, and they can even make cardboard taste appealing. Also, these additives can give the product a really long shelf life.